My name is Atar Barkai. I'm the CEO of Reactic Restoration. We provide fire, water, and mold damage services, as well as other disasters such as sewage cleanup, natural disasters, biohazard cleanup, and everything that's got to do with moisture control under the property. We're a preferred vendor for most insurance carriers, which means that our staff is fully trained with the IICRC and other organizations that regulate this industry. We've encountered many different projects, from fire damages, smoke, different situation, water and mold. And through those years, we gain a lot of knowledge and expertise, and we always keep it at the top of the line of the restoration industry. We've been servicing the Bay Area since 2006, and we've been growing and going ever since. One of major concerns that we see with customers when they first find out they had a water damage or any other issue is really the safety of their family member. Water damage can deteriorate into a mold damage, so there's some health concerns that we usually get to hear and get to explain exactly what's the process that we're going to do and how we would make sure that this doesn't happen, and how we keep their family safe by creating a safe work environment, plus preventing from mold growth. I think two major things separate us from the rest. The knowledge and expertise we gained in the many years we've been servicing our clients and working with insurances allowed us to create a smooth process through our projects, which makes our customers very easy in these stressful situations. Secondly, our customers come first approach, which is what awarded us with the Diamond Certified Award, guarantees our clients the peace of mind that whatever happens, if any issues comes up along the way, they know we will make it right. We're always here to help. If you ever encounter a disastrous situation, just give us a call. We make disaster disappear.